Hi and welcome to a series of spoken English. Let us begin a new topic with how to ask about what people do. We are going to proceed with our lessons, and it is a series of about 6 lessons and 6 tasks. Let us begin with our first lesson with task 1, and this is about how to ask about profession, job and occupation. Isn't it the same? Or is it different? Let us find out. Occupation, job and profession, and even career. Occupation is your job or profession. Your job is the regular paid work that you do. A profession requires trained people with good education. For example, doctors, engineers, lawyers, etc. They are called professionals. So that is how the word profession. And last we have the word career. A career is a job or profession for which you have been trained and you hope to continue it lifelong. That means you pursue it as your job or your profession, but for a very long duration in your life. So that is how it is called a career. I hope you have understood the difference among job, profession and career. Let us begin with a basic conversation. What is about job? For example, if you come across a person, maybe in your family setting or your gathering, and you want to inquire after greeting, you want to inquire about the job of that person, and you want to delve into deeper details and find out more about the job. So let us begin with first asking about how to ask about the job, and then proceed with further questions, how to inquire further questions. Say what do you do, or what's your job? When you say that what do, you mean the same as what is your job or what is your profession. For example, when you ask what do you do, the reply can be I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer. For example, when you say I'm a doctor, you can also reply as a reply I work in a hospital. What does your father do? Now, the third person, when you're asking, mention, see, you check this, what does, okay? And do is the action. So, remember that when you are referring to the third person, you use the word does. What does your father do? The reply can be, he runs a small business. What does your mother do? She's a homemaker or a housewife. Let us proceed further. We have some more examples. What do you do, Monica? That means you're talking to Monica and you're asking, what do you do? The reply can be, I am a student. I am a student. What does your brother do? He runs a small business, or he's looking for a job. He's at college. He's studying. This can be another reply. Is your father a doctor? Remember, the questions beginning with is and are closed questions, and the replies can be yes or no. Let us read this question for once more and then check the answer. Is your father a doctor? No, he's a bank manager. And if you want to say further, no, he's a bank official. In case if he's not a manager, you can use the word official. What do you do? I haven't got a job. I'm unemployed. There are two different ways of saying or replying when you are not into any job or you are not working, you are not even a student. Let us proceed further. We have task 1. Task 1 is a situation you have met a friend and ask about his or her work. I believe it seems quite easy because we have just learnt about it. The sample conversation that we have is a conversation between Anil and Amit. Let us begin with the conversation. Hello Amit, what are you doing these days? I'm working. So what do you do? I'm working as an assistant in a company. What is your father doing? he is promoted to the position of a manager in his company. What does your mother do? She's a homemaker. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of the next video when I upload the next video of this series. Thank you.